The following video is a Ramco 37-inch wet base sander. We're going to run a brief video of demonstration today.
I'm trying the abrasive belt, run the conveyor.
Run it by
Pass it through once more. We adjusted it just a little more.
Let's flip it around. Let's do the side B.
Take it down just a little bit.
Okay, this is the side that hasn't been done.
Probably go right now.